Legal Principles is a course that's there really to introduce non-lawyers to the essential legal concepts that they'll need when they're involved in dispute resolution. By no means everybody involved in dispute resolution is a lawyer, whether that be arbitration, mediation, negotiation, whatever. And so the non-lawyer really needs to have some sort of understanding of the legal context. So what the course covers is the law of contract, which is of particular importance in commercial law. It's one of the main drivers of commercial law, how deals are done. So students need to know the mechanics, the essential elements of that. We also cover the law of delict, in English law known as the law of tort. That's all about liability. So in cases about negligence or indeed deliberate wrongdoing, you need to know the essential principles of the law of tort or delict. And the course also covers the essential principles of civil evidence, which is of particular importance, especially in the context of arbitration, to know how you're going to be able to prove your case, what evidence you can actually bring to prove a case. That's very important whether you're presenting the arbitration or whether you're hearing it as an arbitrator. Aberdeen's a great place to study this because we've got a really good mix of practical knowledge and academic excellence. So the people involved in this course, they are people who have researched in the particular area. They teach the particular area to a high standard, to a high level. The course really is in many ways a foundation that allows you to move on and do the rest of the dispute resolution programme. And something that was really apparent among students who've done it already is you've got people who've been interacting with the law in a professional capacity without being lawyers, maybe for many years. And this gave them a completely new perspective on the law, a much richer understanding, much better understanding of why it is that lawyers gave them maybe some advice that might have seemed quite frustrating or baffling in the past. They're now able to much more richly understand where that was coming from. So it certainly enhances the students' knowledge of the whole legal context.